about glute activation with our clamshell exercise. So we're going to be lying with our torso just stacked on top of one another. Yep, very good. Our knees are going to be together, and our hips are going to be bent just about 60 degrees or so. First things first is we're going to take our left hand in this case and put it on our hip. Good. And then we're going to gently push down on our pelvis. Good. Squeeze our buttock. So we're going to contract the glute. Very good. And then using that glute contraction, we're going to squeeze our feet together as we lift. Yep. Good. And you're going to open up, and the bottom foot is going to press down on the top. And then our foot is just going to be oriented in this fashion, such that you're going to be driving down and pushing the top foot into the bottom, which reflexively gets the lower quarter of the glute. And it will get a little bit of the hamstring, but with the conscious posterior tilting that we started with, we will be able to activate a little bit more glute than anything else.
How is it breathing?
And so, yeah, so the breathing, you're just going to normally breathe 4 seconds in, 8 seconds out. You're not going to change that as you hold the isometric. We talked about the abdominal wall, where you're kind of using your top hand to gently push into your oblique, and it's about a 25% compression, or a contraction rather, where you try and push out against that resistance. Great. And you would sustain that for your full 30 seconds or up to a minute, as long as the primary activator is the glute versus your TFL, hamstring, or otherwise.